Here's what happens when you journal for 30 days. Welcome to the Challenged Millennial, the place where millennials come to get inspired. Journaling has been known to have its benefits, but how often do we try it? Most of the time, we don't try it because we want to know the result of investing our time and energy into it. Therefore, this video will guide you on how you become a better version of yourself by simply writing down your thoughts. Remember that time may be different for everyone, but the results are more or less if you maintain consistency for 30 days. Number 1. You feel less stressed and anxious. Journaling is a must-have tool for anyone dealing with stress. Countless studies demonstrate the benefits of journaling for a happier life. When you journal consistently, you list down your fears and worries in detail, and you read and rethink countless times about your thoughts. This in return challenges your thoughts and allows you to think differently. When you rethink and challenge your thoughts, your problems become clear and you feel less stressed and anxious. Number 2. You improve your communication skills. When you journal for 30 days consistently, you put your thoughts to paper. This allows you to reread and articulate your ideas. When you rethink various times, you tend to express those ideas accurately. When you do it consistently, you articulate better, which improves your communication skills. Number 3. You sleep better. Most of us, instead of drifting off into a peaceful slumber, we begin to rethink about our past mistakes. These thoughts create stress and anxiety, which interrupts our day-to-day sleeping patterns. However, journaling before bed has shown soothing results to many. In a study of 41 participants dealing with bedtime worries were randomly assigned self-help strategies. The group assigned journaling every night for a week showed prominent results by reducing their bedtime worries and stress. They also improved their sleep quality. 15 minutes before bed has shown prominent results to sleep 8 hours peacefully. Number 4. You improve your memory. When you write down your thoughts and experiences, it gives permanence to those thoughts and improves memories of the past and triggers the feelings and emotions experienced during those events. If you are stuck with certain trauma from the past but are unsure about the feeling, journaling would help you jot down the feelings accurately, which allows you to then take effective decisions. This helps illuminate the issues and further prevents it from fleeing your awareness. Number 5. You move towards your goals. Most of us are unaware of the things that we want out of life. But when we start journaling, we write down our goals and create a habit of reviewing them daily. Our vague desires become a well-articulated target that we aim for. Of course, in 30 days we cannot achieve our long-term goals, but we surely make progress when we write down the list of actions to take and the results we get. This also keeps you aware of the progress you made. Journaling consistently becomes a self-coaching session. Number 6. You improve your mood. We all lose our mental energy and feel depressed for no reason at all, leaving us wondering about the reason for these emotional shifts. But when we start jotting down our emotions in the journal, we record how we are feeling and become more aware of the thoughts. For the first few days, we might find it difficult to describe our mood, but through consistency, we can define our problem more precisely, allowing us to see the cause and hence the solution. This promotes more awareness and more clarity. Number 7. You become a problem solver. Our thoughts are often connected to our emotions. Through journaling, we become more aware of our emotions. Becoming good at problem solving requires awareness of our emotions and cultivating the right thoughts followed by the right actions. When we journal for 30 days straight, we become better at understanding and writing down our thoughts, which brings awareness and thus better solutions to our problems. Number 6. You heal after a traumatic event. We all come across traumatic events in our life which affects us emotionally. These traumatic events not only lead to post-traumatic stress but also to post-traumatic growth. However, journaling has been found to cope up with them and foster post-traumatic growth. When you take few minutes to think about the event, you get emotionally charged, and this is when you begin writing. After you've well articulated your emotions, you read it couple of times. The first couple of days are difficult, but through consistency, you organize and become more clear about your thoughts and feelings about a stressful event. Number 9. Your creativity is boosted. Journaling can jumpstart your creativity. When you journal consistently, you will find journaling as a way to motivate yourself and improve your self-confidence. This happens when you start jotting down your best ideas. When we jot down our ideas, we can refine them more, allowing us to explore the cognitive and emotional areas that allows us to unlock the creative side that inspires us. Number 10. You become more grateful. If someone were to ask you about the 5 things you are grateful for, would you be able to answer? That would be no for most of us. But when we journal consistently, we become more and more aware of the things that we are grateful for in our lives. This lowers our stress level and provides a greater sense of calm with clarity. We start to gain a fresh perspective on the things that we probably took for granted. These are the least amount of benefits we can expect to see during 30 days of journaling. But remember, benefits in journaling come through consistency. If you want to start your journaling journey, or if you just want to start journaling as a hobby, click the link in the description. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss another update. See you soon.